Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to restore default hard disk drive icon on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 or Windows 7 or Windows 8. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to restore your default hard disk drive icon, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you just need to click on start menu, then type here regedit and hit enter. Just click on yes. Here you can see HQ local machine. Just double click and expand. For that you need to find software, double click and expand. For that you need to find Microsoft, double click and expand. After that you need to find Windows, just press W key. You can see here Windows, double click and expand. After Windows you need to find current version. You can see here current version, double click and expand. After that you need to find Explorer. You can see here Explorer, double click and expand. After Explorer you need to find drive icon. You can see here drive icons. After that you just need to right click on this drive icon, click on new and click on key. Here you need to type the drive icon name. Suppose if your C drive icon is not showing properly, you just need to press C. After that right click on this C icon, click on new again, click on key. Here you need to type default icon. After typing the default icon, just hit enter, double click on that, single click on default icon, come to the right section, double click on this default and click OK and close this window. After doing this, once you need to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix default hard disk drive icon missing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.